हाय। सो एमए इकोनॉमिक्स एंट्रेंस के लिए स्टैटिस्टिक्स और इकोनोमेट्रिक्स का कंबाइंड कोर्स स्टार्ट हो रहा है फ्रॉम 16th October. Okay, that is Monday, and it will be targeting iitjam, cuet, isi, igidr, etc. Okay, so it's a combined course. Let me show you the syllabus. So the complete syllabus of iitjam of 2024, okay, it will be covered along with the syllabus of ISI and CUET. So it includes statistics part, basically probability, all the distributions. Okay. It also includes random variables, the maximum likelihood estimator, moments, okay, sampling. Along with that, hypothesis testing will also be covered, which is very important from at least CUET point of view. We'll be also covering the part of econometrics, regression analysis, properties of OLS, goodness of fit, variance, CLRM assumptions. So a complete syllabus of IIT JAM, CUET. Okay, so it includes regression as well, regression and sampling. Okay, along with these basic topics, correlation, mean, median, mode, skewness, and complete ISI syllabus will also be covered. Okay, so it is a combined statistics and econometrics course which will be starting from 16th October. So it includes live lectures, सारे lectures live होंगे. Okay, all the lectures will be live. और उन lectures की recordings available होगी. Okay, all the lecture recordings will be available on your laptop as well as on your phone. Okay, through our portal. सारे past year questions of statistics and econometrics and related problems will be solved. Okay, there will be a test series which will have answers as well as solutions, and for doubts there will be classes as well as there will be a WhatsApp discussion group. Okay, so course start होगा 16th October से. Classes will be on Monday to Wednesday. ठीक है, it will be via Zoom meetings and each lecture will be of around 1.5 to 2 hours. ठीक है, course will get finished by 12th of by 15th of January and IIT JAM का एग्जाम है Feb में, CUET in March and ISI, IGIDR, etc. These will be in most probably in May. Okay, so before all of these exams आपका syllabus finish हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सारी recordings phone और laptop दोनों पर available रहेंगी. Okay, and there will be quizzes once in 2 weeks. There will be assignments. ठीक है, and there will be mock test series as well. Okay, so if you want to attend the trial lectures, demo lectures, live demo lectures, so description box में एक Google form है, just fill it up, where we need your basic details to send you the Google form link and the course details. Okay, so just fill up this form where you'll be asked name, contact number, and email ID. So just fill it up and then you'll receive all the details. Okay, so I'll see you on 16th October. Class will be at 6:30 p.m. Okay, so see you there. Thank you.